Will AI replace the doctors? AI can diagnose the disease, analyze X-rays, even suggest treatments. So do we even need doctors anymore? Let's compare AI and doctors. You waited 8 years to be a doctor. What if you have that inner work anymore? AI is lightning fast, scanning medical records in seconds. But can it replace the human judgment? A doctor considers emotions, rare symptoms and patient history. Something AI can't fully understand. AI is powerful, but can it replace human empathy and experience? The future of medicine? Doctors and AI working together. Would you trust an AI doctor? Comment below. Follow like subscribe.